Toolman McCann here. Takes certain tools and skills to build cool things like this. Follow and subscribe and have a great day. Hey, and the time has finally come. My planer has died. Had this thing forever. Holding Makita. Little dangerous. Point that, you know, there's a couple of nicks in the cord. Well, we're upgrading to the new DeWalt battery-powered brushless planer, and we also have the sander. So check all these things out. Let's open this puppy up. We have some doors. We got a plane. It didn't work anymore. That is it. Get a door and go from there. Square from the edge. Oh, that's nice. And no stupid cord. Oh, that's going to be great. Wow, so this is a DCP 580. Not too shabby. All right, depth adjustment. Guess it only kicks the stuff to one side, but it should have a bag as well. Let me look at this. Let's see one. It does have some tools to it. So let's get to testing that out. Had to take some edge off a door, test out this and see. Okay, I have our door all ready to go here. Now I just have to plane it. So let's fire this thing up. It's got a nice little safety. Adjusted it, got a 1/64 of an inch cut there. Probably make 2 passes on this. A little sticky with the painted surface, but now it'll be easier. Alright. That's awesome. Stops instantly. I like it. So now it's got the thing to give it a little sanding action here. This fancy sander. Looks pretty slick and pretty good, and boy, is that smooth. That is some nice stuff right there. So this little door jig right here, if you're wondering about this, I mean, this thing is perfect for holding doors. All it is board on the bottom, little angle there, another board on this side doing the same thing, and I space it maybe this far apart, and then put carpet, and it holds the door from getting scratched. Keeps it nice and safe, easy. Man, that's a slick little trick right there too for you. If you ever have to do that, take you a couple seconds to throw together a door jig, and now you don't have to mess around trying to hold it up. So let me go and throw my hinges back on here. But man, okay, these tools they're pretty darn nice. Especially a nice little upgrade. Granted, this thing was built strong back in the day. I mean, the blades on this thing were about 1 inch thick, versus the current blades today, which are, let's see if we can find them there. They're really thin blades. That's the size of it. It's about as wide as my fingernail, maybe. Like I said, these ones are about this long, so I don't know how long they'll hold up or how well, but I tell you, it is nice to have that without that cord that gets chewed into, because I know this one had a couple bites into the cord. And this, that thing's great. Far improvement over having corded tools. They just get annoying and a pain. But you better check out our other videos. We have quite a few unboxing videos here with these DeWalt tools. They really do a good job with everything we do. We seem to really like the battery technology with the compressor and the table saw. And then a big one with the shears. This fiber cement shears, that was a great one there. And the caulking gun. Oh man, the battery powered caulking gun. All, you know, specialty tools that if you can use them a few times, there's a good reason to have them. And I mean, I had this planer here for, good God, 30 years now. That thing's an old planer. That was a hand-me-down from my father back in the day. Now, here's a hand-me-down from my grandfather from back in the day. That'll be one of the next things to get, a belt sander. I don't use one too often. I have another. It works for what I really need, when I actually need one. But these are the other ones. So you make sure you like and subscribe, check out our other videos, and, well, go out and get yourself some new tools. Check them out. Boy, they make life easy.